So I was gone for a couple of days for work, and when I came home, I had a package from John Dow, or hozza from Hungary. I had bought a Dom 333RN and an LZ Nova from him. This is the Dom. To try to get into it, I'm going to use the multi-pick 1mm top of the keyway tool and my Moki Standard Slim. Let's see, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, maybe something out of 3, 4. Didn't feel like anything out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing out of 5 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, I just had to push 1 up just a little bit higher to get it open. But that is Dom 333RN.